Hello everyone, I do hope you're well. I've got some opalite beads today. Now, opalite beads are man-made, so they're synthetic. Some people try to sell them as opal beads, but they're not. They are created from glass. If you look closely, you may see some air bubbles inside as well. But nonetheless, they are a lovely bead to use. So I'm going to use 6mm today, and I've got some charms. I've been given free rein, so I'm going to make two and then let the customer decide which one they want. So I thought I would show you what I do. I've got some 0.6mm elastic. I've got my scissors, and I'm going to measure 12 inches of elastic. I'm also using some 6mm gold-plated jump rings. So we give the elastic a stretch. Then we attach a bead clip to the end to stop the beads from falling off, and then we just add the beads. So I'm now going to take 2 pairs of pliers, and I'm going to open the jump rings and add charm, and then close, and then add them to the beads. I'll link a video all about jump rings if you haven't worked with them before. We're now going to thread the elastic through the jump ring and add it to the bracelet. And then carry on adding the beads. I'm going to make a 7-inch bracelet, which is the average bracelet size. There are exactly 31 6mm beads for a 7-inch bracelet. So we're going to remove the bead clip, another little stretch, and then we are going to tie the bracelet using a surgeon's knot. So take the bracelet, just like you're going to do a normal knot, but actually go over twice, and then pull, and then we're going to go once the opposite way, so the opposite way to how we tied it, and then I do one for luck. Then take your scissors and cut off the ends. And then we do the same again. Measure 12 inches. Give it a stretch. Then add the bead clip to the end. And start adding your beads. Then take the jump ring and just like before, open the jump ring, add the charm, close it back up and thread the elastic through the jump ring. And then start threading more beads until you get to 7 inches in length, or whatever size you're working to. Again, remove the bead clip, and then we're going to tie in a surgeon's knot again. Make a knot and then go over twice, pull, and then one knot the other way, and then one foot up. So thank you for watching. If you do like this video, please hit the subscribe button. I have lots of tutorials available, ideal for the complete beginner. So thank you for watching, take care and happy crafting.